January 4th, 2021 practice. Write a ratio and the associated unit price. So we have $24 for 8 pounds. Remember, money on top, money on top. So we have $24 for 8 pounds. Now, when we have $24 for 8 pounds, what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to take that ratio and I'm just going to write it down here. So $24 and 8 pounds. All that we're doing here is dividing. This literally means divide, divide, divide. So all we're doing is dividing. So 24 divided by 8. I know that 8 can go into 24 3 times. 8 times 3 is 24. When I subtract, I get 0. And our answer is going to be 3 then. So our answer is going to be, we'll put in green. No, we won't. We'll put in blue. 3. So our answer is just 3. And we're going to keep it dollars because it's going to be $3 for 1 pound. So if it asks you to write more, $3 for 1 pound. $3 for 1 pound. That is it for the unit price. Remember, unit means 1. Unit means 1. Great job!